Imagine this scenario. Every month you receive the reports of corporate entities in the form of Excel tables or pivot tables. Consolidating all these tables into a single database is a classic Excel nightmare. Today, I'm going to show you why you need to learn how to unpivot your data and how you can achieve this in seconds instead of hours using Power User. But first, what does it even mean unpivoting a table? Well, it's moving from cross tables like this to a flattened table like this one. When the source tables are unpivoted, all the data from each entity is put together in a single database. This allows you to analyze the data as a whole instead of keeping your data in silos. Using pivot tables, charts, slicers, filters, you can then create dynamic dashboards like this one. Here, for instance, I can change the period, the sector, the country, and instantly visualize the sales impact to find insights. Now let's see how we can unpivot the initial data to get this result. Here are 4 tables displaying the sales of each country month by month and for each business sector. Each entity reports its sales individually, so the data is in silos and it's not easy to see what really matters in all this data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select each table from the Tables tab and I'm going to click Unpivot. A new sheet is created with the unpivoted data, and I will repeat this for each table. I'll just add the column headers, country, sectors, date, value, to finally merge all these tables in a single database. With my data consolidated like this, I can now create pivot tables, pivot charts, and slicers to build a dynamic dashboard. If you want to learn how to create such a dashboard, you can find a link to a great tutorial in the description of the video. Now you may ask, why all these efforts to unpivot data? What are the benefits? First, it helps consolidate data from multiple cross tables into a single database, something that manually would be a total nightmare. Second, it allows me to segment how I see my data. I can look at the total figures and dig deeper sector by sector and country by country, making comparison or tracking evolutions and trends. This also means that the same report can be used by top management who will be looking at the big picture, but also country heads and sector managers. Everyone shares the same dashboard and can look at the same figures, each with their own views. As you can see, the UnPivot feature is a big time saver, helping you create comprehensive dashboards.